Come on out and make a difference. Here in Fairfax County, that means VolunteerFest, a community-wide celebration of National Make a Difference Day. Every year on the fourth Saturday of October, Volunteer Fairfax presents VolunteerFest, an event mobilizing volunteers of all ages to lend a hand at area nonprofits. VolunteerFest offers a variety of volunteer activities, organizing a food pantry, home repairs for seniors, walking for charity, and more. Busy working adults, students, families, and groups are invited to join this service extravaganza. This feel-good, do-good annual event welcomes everyone, every year, every October. Volunteering, a great American tradition.